Hey everyone, in this week video I will show you how to build custom dashboards in Notion in 2025 so you can bring all your goals, tasks and data into one easy to use hub. Start by creating a new page in Notion and turning it into your dashboard. Add sections for essentials you want to track like tasks, goals, calendar, finances, or quick links to your most used pages. Think of it as your personal control center. Next, embedded database like your task manager, content planner, or budget tracker directly onto the page. Use linked views so you can filter what you see, like only showing this week's task or current projects. To make it more visual, add widgets, icons, and many templates already include these, and they make your dashboard feel clean and motivating like the one showing in the video. Finally, customize the layout with toggles, callouts, or gallery views. Arrange it in a way that matches your workflow, whether that's minimal or packed with detail. With a custom dashboard in Notion, you will stay focused and have your entire system in one glance. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.